Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to set up a schedule for our eye comfort shield function in Samsung Galaxy A55. So where to look for our eye comfort shield? We can turn it on from here, as you can see, eye comfort shield, here it is. We can tap and hold, and here we have our options. But if we don't have our shortcut at the top, we can go to settings, next display, and we have the same option here, on off, off on, and we have few options here. We are interested in setting up a schedule, so we need to choose a custom, and here we have, so we can have our always on. So when we toggle it, it will stay like we turn it on from sunset to sunrise. Of course, as you can see, our phone is asking us for our location to use this option, or we can set up custom timer, start, stop, and etc. Whatever we want here, done. And as you can see, now it's set. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.